Welcome to Unaguru, your trusted source for international education updates. Today, we're sharing crucial news about new rules for Australia student visas in 2025. In this video, we'll explain the changes brought by Ministerial Direction 111, how the 80% enrollment threshold impacts visa processing, and tips to secure faster approvals. Ministerial Direction 111, replacing Ministerial Direction 107 on December 19, 2024, introduces a revamped system for offshore student visa processing. The updated directive prioritizes applications linked to education providers that have not yet reached 80% of their enrollment capacity. Students enrolling in schools, higher degree research programs, or government-sponsored scholarships receive faster Priority 1 processing once an education provider exceeds the 80% enrollment threshold. Subsequent visa applications are processed at a slower, standard pace. This new system ensures fairness between larger universities and smaller institutions, balancing student numbers across education providers. To improve your chances of faster visa approval, apply early, submit a complete application, and monitor your education provider's enrollment status. Understanding these changes and acting strategically will help you navigate the new rules and achieve your goal of studying in Australia. Ministerial Direction 111 introduces a fairer and more efficient system for processing offshore student visas in 2025. By applying early, ensuring complete documentation, and staying informed about enrollment thresholds, you can improve your chances of faster visa approval.